Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a message on Telegram chat with the updated steps. Let's walk through the process together. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device to get started. Step 2. Tap on the conversation where you want to delete a message. Find the chat containing the message you wish to remove. Step 3. Press and hold the message you want to delete. Long press on the message until options appear on the screen. Step 4. A delete icon, usually shaped like a garbage bin, will appear on the screen. Tap on this icon to proceed with deleting the message. Step 5. An in-app window will pop up asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this message?" Confirm your decision by selecting Delete. By following these steps, you can efficiently delete a message on Telegram chat using your device. Remember to use this feature responsibly and make sure you want to delete the message permanently. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this updated guide has been informative in helping you manage your messages within Telegram chat. Enjoy a more organized and clutter-free chat experience with these deletion options.